a lover's mood tonight. As I look back over my shoulder, all the stars are shining bright, just like the night when I used to hold her. She is out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Lover's moon, want to shine on me. I'm dancing with a memory. I wish I may, I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Under the lover's Ever since when I sit in school, I was around with all the rules. Apologize and realize I'm not different after all. Me and the boy, though we had it sass, Valentino, all of us. My dad said we look ridiculous, but boy, we broke somehow. In and out of job, running free, waging war with society. Dumb blank faces staring at me, and nothing ever changed. Promises made in the heat of the night, creeping home before it got too light. I wasted all that precious time and blame it on the wine. I was only joking, my dear, looking for a way to hide my fear. What kind of fool was I could never win. Woo! Happy Easter!
Ang bidyong ito ay alay sa ating pandemic hero. Pandemic hero Francis Leo Antonio Marcos. Likas na talagang matulungin itong si Francis Leo Marcos. Kaya naman marami ang natutuwa sa kanya at ngayon ay tinaguri ang bagong sibol na Marcos.
Pero gusto ko po iparating sa inyo na itong ginagawa po ng foundation ng Marcos ay matagal na po namin ginagawa.
Kung mapapansin nyo sa bidyong ito, batang-bata pa siya dyan. Talaga naman, mapapabilib ka sa kanya kapag nagsalita. Ang mga sinasabi niya, malaman at makatao. Napakalakas ng karisma. Kagaya rin siyang magsalita sa dating President Marcos. Walang sablay at malaman.
Sa Mga leader, I want you to take note of my simple message. Since it's not the destiny of you being a leader of this town or municipal hall, is to transform your community and the nation, or your people in your town. You should begin by transforming your own selves first.
Silencio lumay.
And in that formidable task, no one will accept it but transformation. Wealth and power should not purchase privileges to accept. Because I do believe a community building so good into a character. Wealth and power should not outreach the voices of the people. What we need to transform this nation, to transform this municipality, is a leader that could take to mass the iron of the world without losing our essential humanity.
Sa inggit, mayaman ako eh. Ikaw, ano ka ngayon? Wala ka nang makain, ano? Patay gutom ka na, ano? Oh, yan. Oh. Kaya yung mga supporter ko, wag na kayo makipag-away. Hayaan nyo nang ako, sa akin lang eh. 0-0 na yan, mga yan. Wala nang lulusutan yan, mga yan.
Nang dahil sa kaniyang mayaman challenge, parang bulkan na sumabog at marami ang nag-alboroto. At ngayon, marami ang nainggit sa kanya at siya ay siniraan pa. Ang iyong ginawa ay hindi na mawawala sa mga taong natulungan mo sa panahon ng pandemic. Isa kang hero. Maraming salamat kaibigan sa iyong tulong na ginagawa at hindi na ito makakalimutan at mawawala sa isipan ng maraming taong iyong natulungan.